Good morning, grade 7. Last lecture we have done page number 31, Cahier d'exercice. Okay, so today I'm going to start page number 33. Take out your Cahier d'exercice notebook. Chapter number is La Banque, lesson number 5. Okay, page number 33. Exercise number 2. Complète les phrases en conjuguant les verbes suivants. Okay. So some verbs are given and we have to complete this sentence with the help of these verbs. So first one is this one. This one, Roser reçoit une partie d'argent de poche. Okay. Some verbs are given. With the help of these verbs we have to complete this. So first one is Roser goes some pocket money. Okay. So d'argent de poche. This is pocket money. Okay. Then second is l'employé a apporté tous les documents de nécessaire. Tous les documents. This one. Tous les documents is documents. Du client is client. Okay. L'employé. Employee. Apporter. This is apporter verb to bring. Okay. The employee bring all the client documents. Okay. So C part. Il fait chaud. A weather is hot. And the Paul ouvrir. This is a open. Meaning is open. Ouvrir. This is a verb. La fenêtre. This word. Fenêtre is window. La chambre. Chambre is room. Okay. Paul open his bedroom window. Okay. Il fait chaud. A weather is hot. And so Paul open his bedroom window. Then D part. Je fais des cours aujourd'hui. Des cours is talking about the shopping. This word. Course. Okay. Course. Je fais des cours aujourd'hui. So course is for shopping. Okay. I do the shopping today. Aujourd'hui is today. Okay. So E part. Combien économises-tu par jour? Okay. Combien is this word. How much? Okay. Economiser to saving. Okay. Tu par mois. You every month. How much save you per month? Okay. Then H part. L'étranger doit son passeport et sa carte de séjour. We have done this reading time. Sa passport is passport and sa carte de séjour is for identity card. Okay. Or residential proof. This one. So l'étranger must have his passport and residential proof. Je retire de l'argent. This is a verb. Retire to withdraw money. D'argent dans la banque parce que je dois faire du shopping. Okay. I withdraw the money from bank because I must go for shopping. Il garde is to keep doing. Okay. So il garde faire les photocopy. He is doing photocopy. Okay. This one. Photocopy. It means photocopy. Okay. So the question number 3. You have to translate in English. Some words are given in French, so you have to change in English form. So the first one is say votre numéro de compte. This one is compte word meaning is account. Okay, this is your account number. Second, Il faut remplir un formulaire. You have fill out of form. Okay, this H will not come. Okay, so okay, you have to fill form. Okay, C part. Je fais un stage en France. I am doing internship in French. Okay, this en stage is internship. D part. On peut payer par carte bancaire. Okay, you can pay by credit card. Bancaire is your credit card. Okay, then L E part. La client apporte les documents importants. The client bring. This is apporte is a verb to bring. Okay, and apporto document, important documents. Fine. Il y a trois moyens de payment. Moyen is a method. Okay, there are three payments method. Okay, so full stop will come here. Okay, then je suis étranger. Okay, étranger is a foreigner. Okay, and je reçois 100 euro par mois. I get. Recevoir is, this is a verb to get. Okay, so this is easy for you. This is already given. Then see the conjugate verb on future pros. This one. Okay. This one. Conjugate verb future pros. The first one is entre. Entrer. Okay, this is the future pros. Je vais entre. I will enter. Tu vas entre. This one. This will be same. There will be no change. Okay. And I already told you have to learn alle verb. This is all alle verb. And these are the pronouns. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous. Okay, same in this also. These are the pronouns. This is alle verb and this is the infinitive of the verb. There will be no change. Same as it is will come. In this one also same. This one also same. This one also same. Same will be move. Only you have to learn alle verb. Rest of the verb will be same. There will be no change. Okay. So learn this verb and do the writing practice. Okay, je vais entre. Entre is to enter. Okay, I'm telling the meanings. Okay, first one is this verb. Entre is to enter. Venir is to come. Prendre is to take, and se lever is to get up. Okay, I will enter. You will enter. He entered. She entered. You will enter, like this. Okay, and then je vais venir. I will come. Okay, and je se lever, je vais me lever. So I will get up. I will take. Je vais prendre, tu vas prendre, like this. So do writing practice of these verbs. Okay, and learn this alle verb, and the rest of the verb will be same. All infinitive will come here only. This one. There will be no change. Okay, prendre will come here. Same. Okay, in this sentence after alle write prendre. Okay, then see the exercise number 5. Okay, mettez les phrases en future pros. Same, you have to use alle verb. This one, for example, we have used je regarde la film. Je vais regarder le film. Okay, this one is the plural form, and we have written. So I'm going to watch the movie. Okay, je vais regarder le film. Okay, the meaning is I'm going to watch the movie. This one. Okay, regarder is to watch. This one is a verb. Okay, then second is nous mangeons le chocolat. Okay, nous allons manger le chocolat. We are going to eat the chocolate. Okay, manger is the verb. Okay, so this is manger will come here. G-E-R will come. Okay, place of E-O-N-S, R will come. Then le chocolat, chocolate. Okay, tu vas acheter des pommes. You are going to buy apples. Okay, tu vas acheter des pommes. Pomme is apple. This one. Okay, then next one is D part. Elle part ce soir. Elle va partir ce soir. They will be living together. Okay, they will be living together. And last one is this one, E part. Okay, elle va choisir ses robes. They will choose her dresses. Okay, okay, this is a feminine form, elle. Okay, so robe is dresses. Okay, the girl's dress, robe. Okay, so this is your exercises. See the page number 33 and 34. Okay, we have done these exercises, exercise 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you have to write and learn all these exercises. Learn carefully exercise number 4, all the future pros were. Okay, and fill in the blanks, exercise number 2. Okay, so take care everyone. Thank you.